Welcome to the objective question series. Question 1. One of the basic problem of an economy is dash. Option A, scarcity. Option B, deficiency in supply. Option C, for whom to produce. Now what is the answer? The basic problem of an economy. One of the basic problem. So scarcity, we know that is the scarcity is the root of all economic problems. Now second option, deficiency in supply. And third option, for whom to produce. Scarcity is root of all economic problem, but that is not one of the basic problem. Okay, so that is not the answer. Then deficiency in supply, that also is not answer. Answer is option C, for whom to produce. Question number 2. Dash is also known as price theory. Option A, microeconomics. Option B, macroeconomics. Option C, employment theory. Dash is also known as, here what is known as price theory. Then price theory, is it macroeconomics? Macroeconomics is not, deals with the price theory. Okay, then employment theory. Employment theory and macroeconomics both are same. So the answer is microeconomics, option A. Now, question number 3. The economic theory which studies the behavior of aggregates of the economy as a whole is. The economic theory which studies the behavior of aggregates of the economy as a whole. Option A, microeconomics. Option B, macroeconomics. Option C, aggregate theory. It's a direct question. No confusion in that. It's not microeconomics. Aggregate, here aggregates of the economy. Then it's not aggregate theory. So answer is option B, macroeconomics. Question number 4. Dash is also known as income and employment theory. Option A, microeconomics. Option B, macroeconomics. Option C, price theory. Now income and employment theory. We know microeconomics and price theory both are same. Microeconomics is also known as price theory. So the answer is option B, that is macroeconomics. Income and employment theory, that is also known as macroeconomic theory. Now question number 5. The economic theory which studies the behavior of individual unit of an economy is dash. Option A, macroeconomics. Option B, microeconomics. Option C, employment theory. So here the theory which studies the individual unit of an economy. Individual unit, we know, direct question, that is answer is microeconomics, not macroeconomics, that studies aggregates of units, and macroeconomics, that theory is also known as employment theory. So the answer is option B, that is microeconomics. Thank you.